Is your HVAC system ready for the next season? Without regular maintenance, your heating and cooling system can lose efficiency and lead to unexpected breakdowns. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional HVAC tune-ups. Our experienced technicians perform a comprehensive tune-up to ensure your system is operating at peak performance. We clean key components, replace air filters, and check electrical connections to keep everything running smoothly. We also test airflow, calibrate your thermostat, and make sure your system is delivering consistent comfort. A routine tune-up helps improve efficiency, reduce energy costs, and extend the life of your HVAC system. The result is reliable comfort, better air quality, and peace of mind all year long. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest service and dependable solutions tailored to your home. Don't wait for a breakdown, schedule your HVAC tune-up today. Why is an HVAC tune-up important? Regular tune-ups improve energy efficiency, extend system lifespan, prevent unexpected breakdowns, and maintain consistent indoor comfort. How often should I schedule an HVAC tune-up? It's recommended to schedule a tune-up at least once or twice a year, before the cooling season in spring and the heating season in fall. Can an HVAC tune-up reduce energy bills? Yes. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently, which can lower monthly energy costs. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.